like this. Only been days, but it feel like months.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another video here on my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a summer theme nail set since we're almost there. It's now June, summer is around the corner, and I just wanted to get a summer theme set. This set is a freestyle set, so I did not plan the set. I didn't draw it out. I didn't look for inspiration or anything. I just did whatever came to mind. So I had no idea what I was going to do with each nail as I approached each one. So what I did was I just painted a base color, this Melody Susie base that I got in a giveaway box. I did this on all the nails because I think it's a very perfect base color. And then I kind of just sat and tried to think about what color story I wanted to go with. Every single nail is different. But I feel like they all come together when you look at them, even though they're different. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or want to know where I got anything from, just leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and if you want, hit the post notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And I don't have anything else to say about the nail set, just I hope you enjoy it, and thank you for watching, and I'll come back for the outro to close out the video.
High volume, high volume.
Sometimes I look around for someone who might understand it. Seen it in their eyes that they'll never get it. I think I lost my patience, and now I can't contain it. They were wrong about us. Hate the way they painted. I love the way that you walk in the
later. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing 60 stars in both ears. Dice falling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might mystify. Fuck a night, I keep the dollar in my shorty bag. Know she wanna rhyme when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself with Jay and count my fingers shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. The young stunner, till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. The young stunner, till I die.
And this is the final nail design. Let me know what you think about this set in the comments below. I don't think I'm a big fan of long round tips. If it's gonna be long, I'd rather it be like a coffin or almond or even a stiletto. I think stilettos look great when they're really long. I don't know if I really like long round tips. I don't know, but let me know what you think about long round nails in the comments. So with this nail set, I was kind of just going for a summer theme. The orange nail, I did the stripes after I put the flower down because I didn't realize that I wanted to have stripes until I put the flower down, and then I was like, you know what, I think I want to put some animal stripes on this nail, so that's why I did it afterwards. But I used the Glamorous Nail Essentials sticky base to put the flower down. If you notice, that is a great base for foil. And if you're doing 3D nail art, or if you have some 3D stickers that is really hard to stick on the nail, you just put that on and give it a full cure and your nail will be really sticky. So stickers will stick to it easily. If you put down some molding gel, it will stay and it won't slide around the nail. So I really like that, and that's from Glamorous Nail Essentials. But yeah, I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions on this nail set. I had a lot of fun doing the ombre. I'm not good at French, so don't mind the French on the pinky. I'm not the best at it. But yeah, I think besides the shape of this nail, like long round, I do like the design in itself. I'm just not a fan of the length and the shape. I like round nails, but the long round, I don't know. But anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit the post notification bell if you want to, and I'll see you, or you'll see me in the next one. Bye guys.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.